To find your course literature, it's always good to start early. You can find information about the books you need, either on Canvas or the syllabus at Malmö University's websites. Now I'm going to talk with Marcus from the library. Let's find out more.
My 3 best tips for choosing relevant literature would be lesson number 1, use more words while searching. If I, for example, look for something in leadership, add search terms like organization or group dynamics to your search and it will be closer to what you're looking for. Lesson number 2, use the filters in the search. When you get a lot of search hits, you can use a filter in the search engine to, for example, choose years between what you want the material to be published. You can choose type of material, you can choose language, and that will get you closer to home as well. And search tips number 3, use what you find to add to your search. If you, for example, search for the things I said, you can find lots of new terms with the tags, the keywords that are tagged to the material that you already have found. So you can add it even more and get closer to what you're looking for. If you can't find the book in our search engine, you shouldn't be worried. There are several other ways to move forward with finding your book. For example, there is the national search engine Libris, and that will make a search for all university libraries' books. So you can find it even in Stockholm or in Umeå. And we have an interlibrary service where we can loan books from other university libraries to Malmö and borrow it to you in second hand. If that doesn't work, you can make an acquisition proposal. That means that you can ask that we buy the book instead and include it into our catalog.
Apart from borrowing books from the library, you can also buy them, new or used, from different places. For example, at Campusbokhandeln, where you can find used books for a cheaper price. Search in Facebook groups, like these ones. There are lots of student discounts when you're a student and want to buy books. You can download the apps Studentkortet or Mecenat to compare the different prices when you want to buy something. I really hope you will enjoy your stay at Malmö University and good luck with your studies.